Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use CHOOSECOLS function and CHOOSEROWS function in Excel, and also I will show you how to use CHOOSECOLS and CHOOSEROW function together. So first, here you will see I have a table. This is student name, this is their maths mark, science mark and English mark. Now first I will show you how to use CHOOSECOLS function. So CHOOSECOLS function is used to extract columns from any table. Okay, so I want to extract this student column, maths column and English column from this table. So how to do it? You have to use this CHOOSECOLS function. So just equals to CHOOSECOLS. Okay, then first you have to just extract whole table. Extract means you have to select whole tables, then comma. Now I want to extract the student column, so you have to enter the column number. So this is first column, this is second, third and fourth. So first column I want to this student, then I want maths column, extract maths column, so you have to enter 2. Now I want to extract this English column, so you have to enter, this is fourth column, 1 2 3 4. So click on fourth, 4, and now bracket close. Now when you enter, you will see that student name and this is maths and English, their marks. Okay, so like this you can use this CHOOSECOLS function. Now I will show you how to use CHOOSEROWS function. So CHOOSEROW function is used to extract any row. Okay, so I here in this situation I want to extract this Ramesh. Okay, Ramesh row and this Rahul's row. So what you have to do, and also this header. Okay, student math science English. So we have to just choose rows. Okay, then bracket open, then you have to first select whole table. Okay, then comma. Now row number first, I want to extract this first one. Okay, now second. Now row number second, because Ramesh row number is second, 1 2 after 2. Then Rahul, so row number is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Rahul's row number is 6. Now bracket close. Now you will see student math, science and English column with, and this is the student name. Okay, so like this you can use CHOOSEROWS. So now I will show you how to use CHOOSECOLS function and CHOOSEROWS function together. Okay, CHOOSECOLS and CHOOSEROW function is used to extract column and rows together. Okay, so I want to extract this student column, maths column and English column, and also only two students rows, Rahul and Amit. Okay, so how to do it? First you have to press equals to, then CHOOSECOLS. Okay, then bracket open, then again you have to use this CHOOSEROWS function. Then you have to select whole table, comma. Now I want to extract this header. Okay, so this is first row. Now I want to extract Rahul, so Rahul is sixth row. Okay, now I want to extract this Amit, so Amit is 10th row. Okay, now bracket close, comma. Now you have to choose the column, which column you want to extract. So I want to extract this student column, so 1. Now I want to extract this maths column, so this is 2, and I want to extract this English column, this is fourth column. Now just bracket close. Okay, now press OK. Now you will see students Rahul and Amit and their maths and English marks. So like this you can use CHOOSECOLS and CHOOSEROWS function in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.